5. Bodhi?
Hello. Tomorrow is my birthday, and this is my birthday of being 5.
Wait, what's your theme for your birthday?
LOL balls.
Yellow girl dolls.
This is how you do your makeup at 5, Bodhi.
I'll see if it changes at 6. It shouldn't.
Oh gosh, how did things do that?
This is the 5-year-old bedroom.
Your bedroom.
We have tinted ends up in here.
I'm currently thinking of chocolate characters.
It is not tidy.
No, it's not.
Oh, well, we just cleaned that. I mean, I just cleaned that.
This flower crown does not want to cooperate. Because I have this little tough thing here, right? I'm going to put it on and then have it.
Mom, what's that?
Yeah.
That's good too.
But you don't need any of that, darling.
What is that though?
Foundation.
Noise of being 5.
What's your favourite noise just now, Bodhi? You're right, that's a good noise for you just now. What's your favourite colour?
Pink
Pink
and light blue.
and light blue.
Light pink and light blue.
That's
We're neon pink and neon blue.
okay.
Either than
Bodhi,
what?
what game do you like playing just now the most? What's your favourite games?
Minecraft, Roblox, and Sims.
Sims 4. What do you like doing in Sims 4?
Playing Sims.
You like creating families, don't you? And what do you like doing in Minecraft? Oh, bless you.
Building things.
You like building things in creative.
Yeah. And survival sometimes.
You do spend a lot of time in survival now, don't you? What is your favourite song just now, Bodhi?
Faster car.
Faster Car.
That's a real song.
Caliber.
By who?
By Loving Caliber.
Loving Caliber. What does it go like?
I can sing a half of the song.
Okay.
Half of the top, but I gotta sing. I'm singing to the rainbow.
I've been feeling so
It's
small.
not hard to let things stop. Thinking of the world, but now I'm living to go. Spend my comfort zone. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. No one's helping me now. This is what I do when I'm out to try not to hold me down. Really light when I'm in this town. Who cares beautiful stars on the top of a festive car?
Wow, thank
It's
you.
not that I remember, but I don't want to sing this, but otherwise I would just be the on that video.
Okay. What is your favourite number?
I might have a favourite number.
What do you think it might be if you had to pick one?
It'd probably be 6.
6.
I'm playing 6 tomorrow, so I'm going to pick 6.
That's a good idea. Do you have a favourite letter?
It's probably going to be 8. What are 8 and a.
Brilliant. What's your favourite food when you're 5?
Mashed potato, sausages, and peas,
Mashed potatoes,
Well, I think-
sausages and peas.
I think. I can't really tell you, but I do not have a favorite food. I'm listening to this now, but I also like that too. Hello again.
What would you like to do when you grow up?
Open presents. For my birthday.
I like that.
And Christmas. Dad's going somewhere. My dad is going somewhere. Everyone. He's walking.
What is your favourite dance move? Whoa.
I'm like, man. I can do it for dad. And look at. That's a dad.
What?
Painting.
What? Do you like painting?
Yeah.
What clubs do you currently go to?
The Penguin.
Club.
Go Penguin the game. That's the
Okay.
club that I go to.
And in real life, what classes do you do?
Drama, gymnastics, and little sea things.
Drama, gymnastics,
You like the little sea things. Probably the one that we are at. I just showed my idea.
little seedlings, you're right.
You get a lot of plants.
We do get a lot of plants from little seedlings.
Die.
They do die.
That's if they die now, you have to get them.
What did little seedlings give you this year that grew to about, what, 7, 8, 9 feet? Can you remember?
That's the same size as Totoro
Wow.
or Snorlax.
I think the sunflower.
That's right, we grew huge sunflowers this year, didn't we, from little seedlings? I just wanted to quickly show you the amazing sunflowers the girls have been growing this summer in the garden. They've not even opened yet, but they're 7 feet tall and they're doing very well. What's their names?
Bob?
That's Sticky and Sticky.
Sticky and Sticky Wicky. Good luck. Bodhi,
What?
I love you.
Good. Guys, we're going this way until the camera footage runs out.
That's
Okay?
in about 3 seconds. 2 seconds.
Hands out now.
Remember maybe last year, the year before, maybe the year before that, we did a fire walk. Like we walked with the sticks.
We did the fire procession. I don't think I ever uploaded that. I have the footage somewhere.
I didn't do it.
We've never on your lap.
I was probably not alive.
You were, you held a fire stick.
So
So,
did I.
Bodhi,
Wait, oh yeah, I remember. Oh,
are you both looking forward to the Burnt Island fireworks?
yeah.
Yeah.
Bonfire
Why the
nights?
Christmas stick?
I love this place
It
already.
looks very nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, we kind of like we tagged by walls and bushes and streets.
I'm Bodhi's.
Bodhi, what's your favourite memory from this year? Did you like the Paisley Halloween Festival?
Yeah.
Did you have fun at the Meadows Festival this year?
Yeah. A lot of fun.
Bodhi, what shows do you like to watch this year?
I don't really have a favourite one.
Do you like Barbie?
Yes.
Do you like... What else do you watch? Ben and Holly?
Yeah.
We are now letting the Queen and her royal party have stated that the bonfire is now to be lit. And now let's
Yeah. You can feel the heat. What do you think of the fire, Gemma?
Scary.
It's scary, it's huge! And there's you can see the whole thing?
No, I didn't want it. No. No. Imagine if I'm going to see camel racing. Guys, it's going
Chloe, and how old are you, Chloe? Like 3 years. We've got Chloe, who's 6
Ooh, red lights. Isn't that a crazy queue of traffic in the middle of nowhere? What feels like very late at night, but it's not that late at night.
Oh, it's only back of 8.
It is. That was a brilliant fireworks show in Bonfire. Very impressed by that. We're heading home and then getting the girls to bed, and then tomorrow celebrating Bodhi's birthday. Woo! Pick another dance to do. Another birthday dance.
Bodhi's choice of dinner.
Guess what that is? You might find out in her birthday vlog.
I think I broke Bodhi.
It's my birthday being 5!
It's the end of the day, isn't it? We've seen fireworks and the most amazing...
Wait, 5 fireworks!
5 fireworks.
It was 5 fireworks,
And-
that makes sense.
The most amazing bonfire.
We're probably around 600.
Bodhi, what is your favourite pizza topping?
I don't even like pizza.
You
Like
don't
cheese.
even like pizzas. Who's your favourite celebrity?
What's a celebrity?
Like YouTuber.
Ellie said already.
LD Shadow Lady. You do like that, don't you?
You just nearly hit me in the head.
Come on, are you so cute?
What's your favourite animal?
A pug.
A pug.
A dog.
What's your favourite thing to draw?
People with really long heads.
We have Bodhi drawings from this year here.
Okay, I have a personal favorite right there. I don't know if Bodhi even drew this. I drew this, but what the heck? We kept on putting these faces on paper.
Bodhi, what do you think it's going to be like being 6?
Probably the same.
Probably the same.
Bodhi will be able to go into primary 3 when she's 6, which is insane.
These are pretty flowers that the girls made.
Yes.
No, we did not make the flowers.
Well, with the wiggly things that you made, but you got the flowers from little seedlings, didn't you?
Uh-huh.
They're very pretty. Is that your ghost?
Yeah, I'm also going to do something else, right? Uh-huh. With the face.
Beautiful.
With the face. And there's one more thing, my legs going. Humans.
Humans. What are you doing with your face?
There's a potato! Guys, I think I just to a potato.
It is.
No, it's a head. Oh. This is to our other pupil.
That smells very nice. What the heck did I just...
Mouse, everyone. It's just a mouse, nothing else.
have a mustache.
Get a mustache love me. Wait.
Get a mustache.
I do not have a bunch of mustaches on me. Look. Her hair's gone away on them. I want to show you away.
A wing.
Yes.
Of course.
Now,
You
that
have-
looks like a that.
It does. You have spent a lot of being 5 drawing, haven't you? I have so much artwork. Maybe we should collect it all together and do a slideshow of it one day. Because there's so much.
I know, and I can make our other wing.
Well, I hope your 6th birthday is fun tomorrow. What is your theme for your party?
The ones.
LOL dolls. So Bodhi's hoping to get some LOL dolls tomorrow.
Like these.
Let's see how that goes. Because that was so much better. Alright, would you like to say goodnight to everybody?
Yeah, oh.
And a sticker on your face.
What was that? Wait, I was just saying.
I'm going back to you.
You can see that in the vlog from 2 years ago. As Bodhi did a vlog countdown. With lots of pictures and stickers.
Like what they're doing on my head.
Like what Jenna's doing on your head now. Okay.
Look at that. It's massive.
Goodbye, 5.
Goodbye.
Hello, 4.
Goodbye.
Oh, big hug. That's nice. Right.
Goodbye.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
I will see you on my 6th birthday. What way is this see?
Bye.
Guys, what way is this see? Just tell me in the comments below.
Blue eyes.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.